Hey guys, it's your girl Zareen. Welcome to my channel. My cat Missy is gonna be joining us today very briefly because she's camera shy. That's already happening. Okay, so for this week I wanted to talk about skincare and beauty tips during the holy month of Ramadan. It is very easy. Get dehydrated to have dry, chapped lips. We all know what the deal is when it comes to fasting. And depending where you are, sometimes fasting can be up to 16 to 18 hours. Here in Dubai, we break our fast around 7 p.m. But I have friends in the UK and the US who are breaking it up at 9:20. And I'm like, you know what guys, kudos to you. Mashallah, that's an amazing thing. Coming back to this video, I just want to talk about my favorite tips of taking care of my skin during Ramadan because I suffer from dry skin. I have extremely dry skin and the lack of water does make it worse as days go by. So my first beauty tip for the month of Ramadan is to actually use spring water or facial sprays. This is by Avène. I hope I'm saying it right. Avène, or I don't know. Anyways, it's Avène to me right now. This is their thermal spring water. It is extremely cooling. It is refreshing. And it is the best thing when you just want a mist of hydration, especially when you're out during the day. So this is my first tip. I actually carry these in smaller bottles. I have them in my handbag. I have them lying around my house. I even have one on my bedside table before I go to bed. I just like to mist my skin just slightly, just so that it feels really relaxing before I go to sleep. Another skincare tip that I am obsessed with, particularly if you have dehydrated skin, are facial oils. This is an oil that I have been using for a while now. It is the Shiseido treatment oil. I've been trying all sorts of different facial oils, from the Kiehl's recovery oil. I've used Elemis as well. This is one of the most nourishing oils that I have used so far. Especially if you have dry skin, you really want to bring back as much moisture as possible because of the lack of water throughout the day. So that's number 2. Number 3 is lip balm. It is something so simple, so easy. It's honestly, you're not going to break your fast by applying lip balm or even lipstick. So lips are the first thing that can easily get chapped and dry. This is your best friend during the month of Ramadan. I particularly tend to bite my lips. My lips can get really chapped really fast. So this is the one thing that it's a lifesaver for me. This is something that I try to do once a week. And basically these are face masks. This one is by Iceland. I love their products. I've been using them for a while. I actually use a lot of their eye gels and their lip patches on my brides. And this is the Hydro Cool Firming Face Gel. So it's nice to kind of give yourself a treat over the weekend when you feel like, you need a little bit of pampering or a little bit of love. And this is a Korean brand that I've been using recently, and it's called Junè Cell. I have been obsessing with Korean brands lately, and this brand is no exception. They are amazing when it comes to anti-aging. But in any case, try to use just like a facial mask. Even Origins has a drink intensive mask that I use every 2 or 3 days just because my skin unfortunately is very dry. So I try to supplement my skin with mask. Last but not least, you are what you eat. So this is not going to be a skin product recommendation. It's mostly going to be a lifestyle recommendation. I am a huge fan of infused water. I've been doing this for a while now, and particularly in Ramadan, it just kind of helps your metabolism. It's just extra hydration for your body, and I just feel like it just makes water taste so much better, especially when you've been craving it for X amount of hours. I like to add things like blueberries, slices of lemon, slices of oranges, cucumber, even ginger as well, just to kind of just help with your throat. It just makes things, I don't know, it just tastes better. It's extremely important to hydrate yourself in regular intervals, especially when you're fasting. If you drink too much water too soon, it does take a while for your body to kind of adjust to it, and you will just end up releasing it more than kind of storing it in. So you want to try to drink water, you know, every 2 hours. Make sure you have small bottles of water lying around with you, and infused water just tastes so much better. Okay guys, so these are my 5 beauty tips and lifestyle recommendations when you are fasting. They are extremely simple and easy to do, and if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that's pretty much my motto. Let me know if these products work for you. If you have any other recommendations or any substitutes for the things that I've mentioned, please let me know. Leave me a comment, leave me your feedback, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to click like, and yeah, I'll see you guys next week.